kwenyora mwana maya yekiunga chinsebere chiabo nubutiko ilitirani serious nyakundi sense milimo milio nere wisoni makoli litangani anegati ali nkwaliganitia sinchira yobwenge
no twarengenero muigwane namate itwaire namo bisyo brangeti obu twese twabwatega kitu twarusie jabina gozoka isikona gokura
abigeni be kanisa ya Brown East SDA ko barasare nene magega ye kanise yogo sambwa n'abantu batamanyiriye.
Mimi nimeamua ya kwamba hii kiwanja natengeneza upya kuanzia kesho. Hapa tunaweka shilingi bilioni 1 kutengeneza kiwanja mpya.
Mura ibinso musike William Ruto niga chakire taro ya matukata tasorongoro agusi koroto ta nagosio ligati ya magendro.
Our KMTC students to have problems when they get to facilities, good facilities for learning. We have the skills lab, but we do not have accommodation for them.
Urikiwe wizara yobochano Meri Muthoni kurotota magacho yechinyumba choburaro KMTC Nyamira. Karibu homanjumu rigelia kuchake kiunga chinsebere nigabege niwe kanisa ya Brown East SDA me ya Nyamira nigo bagendete kubara sarenene ye magega ye kanisa yo gosambwa na abantu batamanyire kurengana nabageni abo nigo bakwera buna nigo boigo ya beire bagosiria heniwe nyinge asebono baruro kubolia uchi hase bale no moyo bwancha kubakonya helio kubasira kigake cyo nigo babe koroboti asigetse kya abanyanyimbo Nigeria yamo yogo chaki obutu kimuli kitofati kadi Disemba norobotiru asinchira yogo ikirano.
Abegenwa be kanisa ya Brown East SDA ime ye conference ya Nyamira nigo baboka imambe ya rero na konyora enyomba asiba kugacha ebintu bye kanisa eyo keyete goika koera
samaliete ngoro kumakolio yagi inche ngorende kanisa ya Brown East kara chiarenge ko chiabere sana na nusu chiabo tuko wokira rero nanyara konyora kero toraire nche no muigwone nanyara konyora liberera likongichira na eliokirichire nyomba enai mokyo brangeti obunabo tagojense amona bwato omwana oyo twarengenero muigwone namate itwaire namo bisyo brangeti obu twese twabwatega kitu twarusie jabina gozoka isikona gokura
Korengana na begenwa abaiga nigo baenikire bona ebasiririe eni bogwetania emilioni eyemo ne junukta isano ase asbono basinyirwe ase bagochakera
tane Alex Momanyi Ntabo ninche omolisia bwe kanisa engena ye Sabbath school weye ekera bono twatata bujaiga unabarai iga twanyora ebintu byose bigete bikaera pi na cost yaje igere 1.5 million.
Yeta Tom Nyangena umolisia o Brown Church na ande twaimoka kigima koire report ase egetugia police ntwai kororo na our police officers mbai kabakaiga chinse chiamambia chiange 11 baira chibicha
Aiga niga barai be kanisa ye boigo bairire chinga kiechi na gukwanira ebinto ebyo byayereire enyomba eye
twanyorira sare nene ekiagere step konyora twasukire nande nigo twiranire maega ebirogo abashirike bagwikaransera ebirogo byetanetie miana miseni byonsi bi nigo byaya nabo igo public system togotumeka ebwate ebinto byonsi nigo byayi byaera nasingenje ye kanisa ye ngotumekerera nchiga utensils chonsi pi emetungi togotumeka buna totabwati amachange iga emetungi egosomberwa amache itukoria Friday emetungi yonsi pi nigo yaya nabo igo decorations togokora esinagogi epulpit yarorekana buya konyora abang'ina berure bagurire chirori chiebitamba ibere chinyia chitarakunurwa nabo igo ntobwate chineti togotekoreteria asaya na mauga ebi bionsi pimbiaya amone esanduku ye tithe and offerings.
Kubwatikana naya ebaburiria abarai bonsi kobakonya erio babakorere omuchango erio nabarabwo bagore ebintu ebyo byonsi byabeire bikoya nabo igo ebagikeirie egekorwa ekyo
na kiase into mwanya abantu kara tukoira ribaga rigima gosaria emirimo ya Nyasaye tari gokorerwa echeche igo nabo twaringe gosaba ng'onde oire teribageri Nyasaye mukune elinda ngame aonchoreri korwa asembweye na asaba mabera ikiagera Nyasaye wito naganiti abantu bonse
negekore gitari kya butambe abwase aba Kristo gosabege ni be kanisa iyigai ya Adventista ya Brown East baboka imambe ya rero na konyora ekanisa yabo abwase bakugacha ebintu bye kanisa byonsi biyerete ase enyombe yo. Hingo reporter getembe koraiga se kanisa ya Brown East eyo egotoka ime conference ya Nyamira ime ye bunge ya West Mugirange County ya Nyamira. Njefa Tigad Gisemba
Numulikito Fatkari Gisemba hasorobotiuru mo raibensu muske William Ruto igo hoigo hemargo bajalero haba kagwikirana haiga ime ye county ya Kisii udenchire yemo yogo chaketaro ya magendro sorongoro wagusi ukwana chingeke jomo raibense nigene kibuna achiwikirana magendro hayabeteka kulira bananchi chira udenchire yemo yokwene kibuna bananchi be county ya Kisii nabo igo Nyamira nkonyara bale hamagendra ali baganeire chingeke chabara ikorwa sorongoro wagusi igo baigo baikirana bunenchire yemo yoko mwaligani mulikito Daniel Ntiri arobotirwa sinchira yogo ikirano
Chinsa ikomine nusu chemagoroba ya rero asigiti kia Gusii Stadium murai wense Dr. William Ruto nigaliganigwa nabarai bakubwatese serikali aserogongo rwa Gusii asa chakabene taro ya magendero ya matukane rero ritangani umuske Ruto nigacha kebene okogaligwa kwegeti kia Gusii Stadium project ateba irachikuira imetinye 5 yoka asobwagachi ateba burachigo chakabene abwankyo
ambayo watatumia katika mchezo yao na waweze kushiriki na waweze kufaulu.
Asinkwana ye Ruto nigo asioria egekabo kia magendero ekia koba asabomenyi borogongo rwa Gusii oteba echine chingaki cha magendero natali chingaki cha siasa.
Na mimi nimekuja hapa kazi niko na barabara 8 mpya ambayo mimi naanzisha hapa Kisii na Nyamira. Mimi nimekuja hapa kuanzisha ile airport yetu ya Suneka hapa ambayo imechelewa miaka mingi. Mimi nimekuja kuanzisha ile airport, niko na pesa yake, niko na contractor, ndio hapa watu wa Kisii muwe na uwanja wenu wa ndege. Nimekuja hapa pia kuanzisha university ya watu wa Nyamira pale. Nimekuja hapa vile kwa mambo ya masoko, mambo ya affordable housing, mambo ya stima, kwa sababu nilisema wakati Kenya inapiga hatua ya kwenda mbele, hii Kisii itakuwa katikati, Nyamira itakuwa katikati ya mipango ya maendeleo ya taifa letu la Kenya.
Asense mwende nigamuchirie ensemo yabarai balia bagupinge serikali otebabuna neba baganetie kumurusia asekero otebabwati agenda ende yonsi yogokonya bakenya.
Unasema tuendelee bwana. Tuendelee na kazi. Wale majamaa tunashindana na wao. Wako na mpango. Wako na sera. Wako na agenda. Wako na maono. Ati agenda, ati mpango, ati sera. Ngwata mwendo mwana nile tamwende. Ngoro kiango tamya.
Magaye umuske Ruto nigaena ebasinya gucha sabagosolia be timu ya Shabana na gotengera enkoyo egati ye timu yo na gucha Stars.
Chapani pira
ase magoroba ya rero Musike Ruto nigara twari gikaro na barayi kurogusia ase nyumba y'uburayi ya State House yemanyikanite buna Kisii State Lodge na ankyo gocha kitaro yaye ase ritukuria kabire ime ye county ya Nyamira nkorobotere gataseni kya gatembe korega ase county ya Kisii ritrane ngoro kwa Daniel Ontiri
Mulikito Daniel Ontiri hasoroboturo Mulikyo botambe hase wizara yobochano Mary Muthoni igatarire bunge ya West Mugiranga sokuru samagacho ye Chiostel ase skuru ye kwegeri obonyagitari ya Nyamira KMTC ekyo kigendete kwagachwa ekyo kirikira kikubugulia borokiwa kimisano emirongo 3 negento omurobero yo obwamagendera sokwene kibuna aborokiwa bonkonyora bare obukorero bya ukwana nabarali korwa skuru eyo nigoboigo harokana kwegerera serikali irabisi hasenjira egendete gwikirani amagendero asibe government buna wagachibechi hosteli cho negati amagendero hali serikali yabetege kulikira muri kitofati kadi gisemba na rubotirwa senjira yo gwikirano
Oyo no muriki obotambe ase wizara yobochenu Mary Muthoni oyo tarira eskuru ya Nyamira KMTC asokoro tuta amagenderero yobwagachi bwechi hostel ase skuru yo ase omosiko yo airachinga kecho na gukwanira omoroberio bwe serikali enene ase okwena kyabona chiskuru cha KMTC imeyense nchibwate amagacho amaya.
Our KMTC students to have problems when they get to facilities, good facilities for learning. We have the skills lab, but we do not have accommodation for them. Again, that sense of mental, comfort is very, very important for any student who is in school. So we are happy that KMTC is going to enjoy the new hostels, and especially here in Nyamira County. This is one of the flagship projects that His Excellency William Samoei Ruto has started in this country. Infrastructure. We want to say that professionalism in the Ministry of Health is very key. We want to come out with students who are skilled so that they are able to provide the highest level of services in our facilities.
Ase etare yo yaye igoboigo yaikiranwa no mubunge o West Mugirango Musike Stephen Mugaka oyo ensemo yaye osingirira buna inse yoburayi bwaye nigo aragenderere gusukuma serikali eregeti eryo kweneke buna amagenderero akire ase ebunge ejo.
Really are focused that West Mugirango being on the first lane, we must be the first beneficiary in everything that the government is bringing as a program. As you're aware, this hostel will house 580 students, and we are now prepared to lobby government and Madam PS, when you see that, kindly receive it favorably, because we want a modern tuition and administration block for this college.
Nonye nabo nigo Musike Mary Muthoni arorekana kogokiwa enchira omubunge Stephen Mugaka abeirega kurwanirira abantu baye anene ase amagenderero.
Nyamira people umebarikiwa sana sana. Shukrani. And here Mheshimiwa, very hard working Mheshimiwa. I don't think this would have happened if we did not have the coordination between my state department and the member of parliament for this area, and of course His Excellency the President of the Republic of Kenya. So I want to thank Parliament for allocating funds for this particular project so that we can see it to fruition.
Chingaki echecho nigo akwanira obokomo obwo bwetanaine aborokiwa ba KMTC anene asogotanyora chibesa chiria cha help na nigo arireira yogocha gusuguma obokomo obwo ase bunge enene eryo ababunge bonzi babusonsore.
I have been told by the CEO of KMTC that we have a challenge with our students learning at KMTC such that they do not benefit from HELP, the Higher Education Loan Education Board funding, so that notwithstanding the bursary support we are giving to our learners, the colleges are not able to sustain the students who are not able to pay the balance of their fees. I will be taking that up with the Ministry of Education through my colleagues in Parliament, so that we stop discrimination of any learner in any tertiary institution, particularly the KMTC.
Inkoripota Getembe koroigase skuru ya Nyamira KMTC eye gutuka imeye ward ya township bunge ya West Mugirange county ya Nyamira. Fatgad Hisemba
Murikito Fatgad Hisemba hasorobotiro mo konyi bumuraibe kyamage Jubilee muske Dr. Fred Matiang'i igamo chire serikali kubatikana no kuburwa kubolende haigemejense anena sabaraibo kwa merili serikali ukwana se kanisa ya PEFA ime ye kaunti ya Kajiado ho muske Matiang'i igobaigo hamo chire serikali asokoro kyobworo asogotinga bokorali wechi sector asobuya wo mwananchi.
People, we are talking to fellow Kenyans, moving around, talking to Kenyans. How is that a threat to national security? So that you are spending bullets, you are spending tear gas, you are spending police time on that kind of deploying police officers. Tuko na shida. People are being marked in the city every day. When we face this problem with Uhuru Kenyatta, that is how we came up with an all-women commando team that we were training to look at how you go into the supermarkets and everything, and now you try to trace pickpockets and create a certain sense of stability and peace in the urban areas so that people can go around doing business. That is what you should be spending your time on, because people don't feel safe, and if they don't feel safe, they cannot do business, they cannot go around their activities. How is Seki addressing a meeting in Kajiado a problem, a threat to the country? He's an elected leader, elected by the same Kajiado people. He's going to meet the same Kajiado people. You must, even if you have a weevil in your head, how would you spend time planning to disrupt a meeting an elected leader is having with his people? Tuko na shida. I am telling you, tuko na shida. Na ni kweli, I don't want to repeat this. You can see clearly. As I said last time, Kenya's problems have nothing to do with the people. They have everything to do with the average or mediocre leadership we have, incompetent management of the country. Sababu mambo ile tuko nayo inatusumbua, inaonekana wazi. Ninyi jiulize wananchi, if these things don't amaze you, ukifika mahali unalipa watu. Mumeona clips hapa, rais anaelekea Kisii kesho. Tangu wiki jana ni kulipa tu unaendelea. Watu wanaweka laini, wanalipa. Wewe jiulize wewe mwenyewe, hiyo pesa inatoka wapi? Unalipa watu kuja kukusikia. Napika hesabu. You bring women leaders to State House, 12,000 of them. You give each one of them 10,000. That's 120 million. Saa hiyo hakuna chakula Kenyatta National Hospital. Hakuna madawa huko. Grade 10 kids hawaendi shule wengine. Tunaambiwa vitabu havijafika. Part of my community are in the arid and semi-arid areas. Government papers are the ones that are announcing when they open school next month, 2 million will be in danger of not accessing education because the government cannot raise the 4.8 billion for school feeding program. State House iko ya kupewa wakorino 3,000 kila mtu, lakini watoto hawaendi shule. Our priorities are not even upside down, they are worse than that. Evidence of state failure. Ukiangalia serikali ikienda namna hii, hapa sasa unaona tumeanza mwisho wa mambo. Eti unalipa watu kuja kukusikia. Zamani rais akiingia mahali watu wanawacha kila kitu, wanaenda kusikia mkubwa wa nchi. Sasa siku hizi ni kulipwa, tulipwe uende usikizwe. Hii inakuwa shida, na tuambiane tu ukweli badala ya kudanganyana hapa. Hii mambo imekuwa ngumu na tunaenda kila mahali in the country. You ask yourself the question, kura zenu iko wapi? Hakuna kura.
Kerekyo habara hawekirana hasika nise igati abo mujumbe webunge ya Burabu Muske Patrick Osero nigo bamuchiro muraibe somoske William Ruto aso kugendera kuliera abananchi chira cyobokora chingekecho ni gabara ya ubagi kelibororo hebikoro byobosagani bwechi kanisa.
Kwa hivyo kama Fred anapiga kura, ananipigia mimi. Kura yake ni yangu. Mimi niko hapa leo na huyu president anaitwa William Ruto ako kwangu leo Kisii, Nyamira, na anaenda kuzindua kitu inaitwa University of Nyamira for the 5th time. Mara ngapi? Mara 5. Iko kwangu. Ilipofika mara ya 4 nilisema hapa nimechoka, wacha niende Kajiado nikasalimia watu. Because how many times are you going to lie to people? Honestly. You know, I looked at the Witima incident. Can you imagine siku zile wanapiga marisasi kwa magari pa. Can you imagine kama kuna mama alikuwa amechoka kwa kanisa, ameingia kwa gari, ananyonyesha mtoto kwa gari, alafu unapiga risasi kwa magari? Our country is going to the dogs.
Sisi kama jamii ya Wamasai tuko kwa opposition. Tuko kwa opposition kwa sababu gani? Tunaumia, tunanyanyazwa, ardhi inachukuliwa kila siku, hatuna uongozi. Hata wale wanatuambia ati wako UDA ama nini, hakuna kitu anatuletea hata kidogo. Hatupati chochote kwa cheo ama hata kwa mali. Kama kile kiko ni kwamba mali zetu zinaenda. Kwa hivyo nataka kuhakikishia viongozi hao wote wetu, sisi kama jamii ya Masai, pale tumetoka, iwe Laikipia, iwe Baringo, iwe Kajiado, iwe kila mahali, tuko kwa opposition na tutaka. Tunaomba tu tukae pamoja, kwa sababu naona huko mbele sisi ndio tutakuwa 2027. Yule mtu ambaye anaumiza watu, mnaona vile alifanya jana, sisi Kikuyu, kila kitu kina mwisho, na hata Mungu hataki watu wake waumizwe vile waliumizwa jana, na tunasema Mungu ako na sisi.
Saroboti rumonchumu likilia tonyo romoti mokomoke tokairana tugende nekyonga sinjira yobwikirano.
Omurayi omukuru bw'ensi ya Burkina Faso Thomas Sankara nigatebete nigekoira ekerengogete ky'obubalimo kibirengereryo elyokolenta amonchereryo y'amagenderero asa amatuka busyo nakyo gekogera omuseneta Gloria Oruoba erure koba ebalimo yaino asa omusimamo y'omutindi akonye kurwanirira omugusi inyora omusike Oruoba nigalinge omuseneta omuchorwa bw'ekyama gya serikali gya UDA kurende agesokya kubwatisya omurwanirira bw'ekerugo ky'oburayi bw'ense kurwa orogonko rwa gusi omusike Dr. Fred Matiang'i abange bakamuruke balimo igoika kaurwe kerugo kyaye ky'obuseneta asogotenena n'omugusi omwabo nonyabono atabwatie emirimo obeire okurwanirira abasubati wekinia kiuchumi koenana ebitamba by'obuchenu nabo igo kurwania chisegi chiegenka bono nigo aboliri omugusi komochora buna representative bwe county asobocholi bw'omwaka ogocha eli obwaye aliasebunge agenderere kurwanirira omugusi emeremeye nigetagete omusubati omulemu Oruoba narokwe balimo takumeti kugicha obo balimo obo bokonye kurwanirira omugusi mbuya gutwara omusubati omulemu gose balimo kubwa gutwara omusubati omwoba okoni gesaku oyo nere Gloria Oruoba ebalimo yagusi.
ine nugane techi stage chichi size au lighting and effects, pipe and drapes, PA or sound, camera equipment, grip, LED screens, security barriers, fences, power units, chiema chechingencho au nibinde ebenge ase emega elia emeke nilia yaigatua gose elia emenene concerts ibigeni corporate events amoro kereria ibiegwa na version shows emesengrukana nibinde ebenge twakire isimi ase enamba 0700-301-301 gose 0722-347-371 301 Events, your one-stop shop for all events and equipment.
Karibu na indo mwanchomo rigerelia mo kwa nyimbo muraiwe nsomuske Professor Kithure Kindiki igaruro kubolia gochia sabarai kwa neki bunankuru bara maskani gochia sejideni ukwana ime ya State House Nairobi Kindiki nigo hateru na inerenchere yemo yokoleto gosibuli bogo sasima haigeme yensi ya Kenya.
Wewe ndio nembo la umoja wetu kama taifa, na hiyo kazi sio tu kutuunganisha kisiasa. Wewe kazi yako inahusu pia kutusaidia taasisi zetu zikiwemo makanisa siwe na umoja, because Mr. President, as the symbol of the unity of our country, your responsibility goes beyond political unity, but also helping institutions to be united, because when our institutions are united, the country is united. Inawezekana tuwe na utaratibu ama mtaala ambao unaweza tumia Kiingereza na kuwe na program ingine ya Kiswahili, ya theolojia kwa Kiswahili. Tafadhali tuheshimiane. Tuheshimiane kwa sababu nimesikia kuna ndugu zetu wengine wameanza kutusi ndugu zetu wa Korino kwa sababu wamefika hapa leo. Hii ikulu, kumekuja hii ikulu madhehebu mengi sana. Madhehebu mbalimbali rais amewaita hapa kwa sababu yeye ndiye anasimamia umoja wetu sisi zote. Sijasikia wakitusiwa wale wamekuja hapa. Hata kanisa ambalo mimi nimetaja la Kimethodisti last month walikuwa hapa na walikuwa na matatizo mengi ya kanisa, na rais akawashughulikia about their institutions, church institutions, land ambayo ilikuwa imenyakuliwa na squatters. Rais akawasaidia. The Catholics have been here, PCA has been here, the Anglicans have been here, everybody has been here, the evangelicals have been here. Why is it painful when the Corinos come here, it becomes an issue? Hiyo madharau tuwache jameni.
Mo waziri wa Burundi Waime Kipchumba Murkomen ni garuro kubolia gochia sawa na siasa kubeko murembe chinge kinsi ya Kenya gendete kwirubiria haso jole banene bo mwaka w'ikirubire 2025 wana chinge kicho Murkomen ni garuro kubolia gochia sawa na siasa bo gotigana gotumeka basaye goturbani hemesangirikano.
The function that happened in Nyandarua was extremely unfortunate. And as a minister whose responsibility include government protocol, even though the president allowed all those people to speak, I think they were out of tune, they were disrespectful, not to William Ruto as a person, but to the office of the president as the office of the president. As we go towards these elections, as leaders, I want to request to all of us to ensure that we put aside politics of violence and goons and gangs. One of the biggest challenges we are facing in the country now is that nearly a good number of elected leaders, including those who are aspiring, are recruiting young people, using them as goons and as gangs for purpose of intimidating their opponents or causing chaos in functions. I must say that we really condemn what happened to Senator Osotsi in Kisumu. It is totally unacceptable. And I am happy to report to you that the DCI arrested 3 of those characters, and by the end of the day today, we will have arrested all the others who have remained. We may disagree politically, but we do not believe that violence is an answer in any way.
Sisi wanasiasa wakipata hii microphone, kamera, wananchi wanapenda. Lakini kwa bahati mbaya, kuna mmoja wetu wiki hii alipata microphone na watu kwa mazishi kama hii, aliharibu vibaya sana. Sasa nyinyi mnagharamia hasara ya mtu mmoja. Poleni sana. Huyo rafiki yetu wa zamani ametuharibia sana. Turekebishe, siku nyingine mafamilia itatukaribisha kwa mazishi. Lakini kwa sasa hakuna microphone tena kwetu kwa sababu ya hiyo mtu.
Na gwikiraga bumonchumo ligereria no gwikira umwelio wo mungana maiye kionga chinsebere chiabo no batuko kurendi chikoraga chinsenye ningirane nkomanya senchira yo gwikira no kurenda sege kege kekere mutwe ningirana hasomoro birwige karo anene hasabarai use ndachi gutwara igaime ye studio bunenchira ya moyo gukwanera etaro yo murai wense nali abagusi baganete kubwatikana netaliru litirane serious nyakundi asense milimo nyiro ni galingo Wilson Makoli na usabira tuskale.
Eshukuru ya kitutu masabate